everyone, welcome to this video. So a few weeks ago I did a live blowout on my actual leg and it had a massive response in the comment section. So let's first take a look at some of these comments that were left. Cree, this man deserves like, share, subscribe for this lesson really. Why, thank you very much, Cree. Next we have Kiko, ow, super painful to watch. Official Records, this write-on lesson deserves multiple million views. That's an official comment from an official named YouTuber, so it must be right. Cheers for that, Official Records. Now this one from Dave Oldfield, it's a little off topic, but I wanted to include it in this video. Nice video, Jono. I haven't been working as I've been having prostate cancer treatment. I'm on the mend now, mate. I'm going back into the studio tonight to do some work on my leg that I've been on for months. How do I get in touch with you to book a session? Again, keep up the awesome work, my friend. Now guys, I know I've got the best subscribers and the most awesome subscribers, and this isn't just my channel, this is our channel, and this is our one big YouTube family. So if I can ask you to do me just one favour after watching this video, smash that like button, show Dave Oldfield some love, send him some good vibes, let's send Dave some positivity, and with this channel, we pick people up at the back and we carry him to the front. So Dave Oldfield, I hope you get back to full health. I wish you well and I'm sending you some positive vibes. Next we have Jennifer Gossett. I appreciate you doing this and showing everyone how a blowout looks live, but I gotta tell you, I was cringing the whole time. So was I, Jennifer. HP, OMG, that looks absolutely painful. It was. Big Slim, ouch, that looked effing painful. I actually cringe watching this vid. Much props to you, Jono. Laura Meeks, that was painful to watch. Please do not do that again, but thanks for the instruction, still shuddering. Well, Laura, I've got no intentions to do any more blowouts, so you can stop shuddering now. Alessi Nicole, new Jono leg torture, upside down smiley face. And Nicola Hoff art and tattoo, just oshed, that's what I think. So before I show you the heel blowout on my leg, I'm just gonna recap and show you the video of the blowout being performed for anyone that's not seen it. To be fair, I watched it back and I do find it hard to watch, even though I were doing it and it was on my own leg. It is a tough watch, watching that needle go right in there and blowing the ink out. So let's just go back now and watch a quick clip of what happened. I still find this a difficult watch. No. 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 No, that's nasty. No, 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 no. That was a blowout being performed. It still makes me cringe now watching it. It's horrible. So now let's look at it fully healed on my leg. This is about 3 weeks later. So here it is, guys. This is the blowouts that are fully healed now. I've lit it up so you can get a really good view on it, but if you look closely, you can see there's like trenches in the skin where the needle's just carved it into the skin. I shouldn't imagine that they're gonna ever heal over smooth again, although I will be able to cover it up and then probably won't notice them, but it has made quite a mess. You can also see that the lines look a lot closer to each other now as opposed to when it was freshly done. And this is because the ink obviously is spread out under the skin. So now let's get a really big close-up of it. And you can see the skin on top's gone really shiny. And I'm 99% sure that that's going to be scar tissue when that has fully healed in months to come. There you have it, guys. That was just a super quick update for you of the blowout on my leg. I won't be keeping it on my leg. A lot of people have been asking what I'm going to do with it. I'll end up covering it and I'll probably put a video of that being covered as well. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you've already subscribed, really important to hit that notification bell. Stay up to date with all my latest uploads. For all that said, guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.